Well, we got a lot of clean out here, so. Got everything out of the way, all the clutter. Gonna do a vacuum now. All vacuumed out. There's some rust down here I gotta take care of as well. Probably sand it down and use some rust prevention on it. The carpet in this was pretty bad. I threw it out. There's no saving it. I'm gonna have to get a new carpet kit somewhere. Alright, got the interior cleaned out. I also put the seat in. It's still dirty, so I'm going to give it another clean. Hopefully some of the stains will come out. At least it smells a lot better. And they cleaned the door card as well, so that looks a lot better. Now I'm going to put the stick shifts in. So I don't know what happened to the bolts, but I bought new bolts. So now I'm going to get those bolted in and get the center console put all together. Okay, got the shifters in. Works like a champ. Now we'll put the boot cover back on and get the knobs on and get the center console bolted down. Keep on moving. Okay, it's the next morning. Didn't record much, but I did get the center console bolted in. Nice and solid. As well as the boots. Got the driver's seat all cleaned up. It's not bolted yet, but it's nice and clean. Or it's cleaner, it's not super clean. I'm gonna probably do another clean on it. We're gonna have to get these reupholstered. This is gonna be the passenger side here. I'm about to clean. So give it a nice vacuum, shampoo, get it as best I can, get it put back in the truck. Okay, for some of you that have watched my previous videos, I had a issue with a nut on the Volkswagen when I was putting the rear sway bar in, and I bought this kit off Amazon for 80 bucks, and honestly it's already paying for itself. Basically these seat bolts and nuts were very rusty Had a lot of corrosion on them. I cleaned up the bolts and ran a rethreader through the nuts in the frame or in the structure and cleaned it all up, and now they work like a champ. Like, it's perfect. They go in so much better. So definitely highly recommend buying this kit if you have a project like this that's really rusty and corroded. I'll link it down in the description. I also linked it in my other video for the Volkswagen, but it's Lang tools, and man, they are awesome so far. Definitely saved me a lot of trips to the hardware store for bolts. Just like that, I have 2 front seats, a center console, shifters, everything. So I am going to buy a carpet kit, and I am going to redo the floor, the metal. There's some rust spots in some areas, so I'm going to clean that up, put some rust prevention on it, and put some carpet down with some heat and sound dampener. But I won't do that until the motor's running and it's moving, so because I don't want to put money into something I don't know is going to start and run. So the interior is not done yet, so this is just one video of many to come for the interior. I still got to get the back seats in. I still got to get I'm going to put a little rack fridge back there as well. So you don't want to miss any of that. Stay tuned. And if you like the series, just leave a like on the videos. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.